Ayan, dito muna. Hello, my love, it's my Chassis Pips. Welcome back to a new vlog. And I'm here now at the Peninsula Manila for the Maarte Fair. So every year talaga, I need to come here. Yeah, so last year I was able to buy this one. This one, I'm wearing the Far Abu earrings. Yeah, and my Ashi shoes. And my gorgeous friend and I were able to purchase some knickknacks last year. I will be checking the items today without my gorgeous friend because she's now in the province, but I'm with my son Joaquin there and my sister Gingy. So let's check it out now. I love you, Jessica. Originally, I was planning to visit last Thursday, the first day of Maarte, but it was raining cats and dogs until Friday. Today is Saturday and tomorrow will be the last day of Maarte Fair, and hopefully I could post this tomorrow before 6 p.m. for you to check out my unique finds, okay?
Jansport siya nung early 2000.
Ah, okay yan.
Naalala
So
mo
parang,
na?
yeah, Jansport. Yung Jansport. So how much yung mga ganito?
This po, check natin. I'm not very
Ang
sure.
cute, no?
17,950. 17,950.
17.
Yes po.
So, okay. Pero nice. So, ang dami.
Yung mga fabrics po natin is upcycled.
Upcycled.
Meaning, konti lang po talaga yung colors na napoproduce. So, limited sila.
Sige. Talk ka lang ha para sa vlog ko.
Oo, nag-vlog po kayo.
Oo. Ang ganda. This one, how much tong ganito?
This one po is 12,950. Bagong colorway po to. Bagong labas po ng
Ganda,
colors
no?
nila. Nawala po siya sa website dahil na out of stock ng medyo matagal.
Oo,
And then
ganda.
ngayon po, binabalik po ulit yung with different colorways po. Yun po yung iba.
Oo
Medyo
nga.
madilim lang ma'am.
O yun na nga, hindi maganda lighting nyo, no?
Yeah. Madilim. Hindi tayo
Madilim.
pinagkalookan ng maliwanag na area.
Nice.
Masaya.
Mga ano, ito smaller. Ganda. Kaya ba?
Balik ko na. Balik ko na natin.
Ayan.
Electron ka pa rito.
So niya kapag binaliktad. Iba rin po yung silhouette niya.
Sige nga, dear.
So ayan, from here, medyo may shape siya na parang.
Okay.
Kapag nireverse natin siya,
Ay, ang
Medyo-
cute.
soft na boxy na yung ano.
Ah, so iba na siya.
Yes.
Ang cute.
Di ba? Ay, niligtas ako
Nice.
nito. Dito ako sinasabit yung wallet ko.
Oh, talaga?
Kumela is nagtatahi po ngayon for carry.
So, Comela is K-O-M-E-L-A?
Eto po, Kumbumela. Silent B.
Kumbemela. Okay. So, this is the sun na.
Yung sun, ito po, yung carry
Yeah,
po
carry
yung...
on yung sun. Ang
Apo.
may-ari na.
Yes po.
So, ano yung mga names nila? Nandun ba saan? Yung owners?
Si Miss Victoria Salazar po and then si Sir Dan Van Saul.
Dan, ano siya?
Dan Van Saul.
Dan Van. As in,
Ang
D-A-N.
website po.
$20,000, same lang din kay ang cute. And 3.5. So we're here at Aishi with Miss Cara,
Hi,
the
ma'am.
gorgeous. Yeah.
Thank you.
So remember my gorgeous shoes last time?
Gorgeous lang ito.
Ah!
Hi, ma'am.
Ito ang cute, oh. Ang cute din. So this one, yung new mo to? Ito yung new mo, Miss Cara.
Bago natin, syempre.
Ano tawag mo dyan?
Kalesa.
Ang kalesa.
Na nasa Binondo.
Ay, ang cute si
Iba
Mama.
ng Binondo at ang Kalesa.
Oh, and then this one, ganun din.
Ito yung mix and match na. Ang strap niya is mix and match.
Ah, okay. So, pair to?
Yes.
Ah, pair yan. Tapos iba. So, pwede mag-customize din kung ayaw mo ng bird.
Ayaw kung pwede.
Baka gusto ko ng
Bird na
bee.
bird, parang bird.
Ah, pwede.
Any color.
Ah, that's nice. So, how much is this?
7,500.
7,500. So, ito yung parang same ko. O, kaya lang iba to. Mas ganda pa rin yung sa akin. This one, oh, nice. Super nice din to. Ay. How much yung mga ganyan?
Ito ma'am is 4,000.
4,000. Oh, nice. Ito, cute din, oh. Nice. Saka ang comfy ng shoes nila, promise.
Pero ate, ito ano mo ito, i-vlog mo kasi ito ang mabenta talaga.
Yun na nga. Ito, how much to? Ay, ang cute pala nito. Ang Divisoria. Ito daw ang bestseller.
Ayan, ang Divisoria.
Ang cute, no?
Yung dito,
I like taho. And this is the bestseller daw, yung Divisoria. Ayan. So, visit Aishi, si Miss Cara until tomorrow, no? Ay, pero hindi na mapapost ko pa pala to next week. So, yun na lang. May sa IG niya. So, yan. Yun yung mga shoes. Okay. So, ito yung new nila. Yung croc nyo, how much? Yung croc? Itong ganito? 10,1. Pero this one, this is so cute. Ito yung gusto ko dito eh. Ang cute. 10,8 to? Ah, okay. Yeah, ganda. Tapos ang ganda nito. Oh, yeah, ito na lang, last na anak. I like this. Pag-ipunan natin to. Gusto ko talaga ito. Oo, mag-aura tayo. Lalagay ko ito sa vlog ko. May favorite bag na wala pa ako. So soon.
thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Pwede ka na mag-online.
Oo nga eh. Pwede naman. This is so nice. Kakaiba. Where are your coach?
White
Ang
ako?
cute nito. May
White ako?
tumatawag sa'yo, anak.
White ako?
Oh, may kumatawag
White
sa'yo.
ako?
Yes, anak. How much yung ganito, dear?
That's 18,500 po.
18,500. Very nice. How much yung mga bags? Mga ganito, mga novelty. Pag mga novelty,
Po, ito 99.
99. Tapos ito, puro
Same,
ano,
yung mga jeepney bag 99 po.
Okay.
Bahay po, 99 din.
and then, ano to, dear? Parang,
Love bus po.
love bus.
Yung libreng sakay.
Ang cute, no?
Ewan ko nga eh, sa 70s uso yan eh.
Oo nga. Very nice.
Thank you.
Pero may mga ganun.
Pinaka-clutch is 7.5.
7.5. So, ito yung, well known kayo sa jeep. No? Ang ganda. Very nice.
May shawl.
Cute. This is 15K. So, sa may ibang colors yan.
Wala. We only make one piece at a time.
Oh, really? So, this is only
One of a kind.
one of a kind and one color
One
lang.
color only.
Wow.
One piece only.
One piece, that's nice. Yeah, this is so yummy. So, the salted egg and the barbecue is the best seller. Yeah, nice.
Space. Gitna.
That's the one.
Even a pile. Let's try it.
And she is the queen, Miss Farah. Hello! How are you? I'm wearing your earrings, of course.
Ganda naman.
O, diba? Ano yung nga natin?
Baliktad.
O, diba? Maganda rin. So, I'm wearing her. Yeah, this is Farah Abu. O, diba? Baliktad ba? Pero tama
Pero
lang.
ang ganda din.
O, diba? Nice. Sabi ko nga parang gusto ko ng iba naman.
Amazing. Ito, baliktad na.
Baliktad na talaga.
Okay, pagbaliktad rin na natin.
Okay.
Ito,
Yun nga.
wait.
Paano ba ito malaman? O, diba?
Okay, sorry na. Kasi baliktad.
And then, Miss Farah is fixing my earrings. Diba?
Yan.
Oo nga, no? Mali yung
Maganda naman.
pagkakalagay
Maganda
ko.
naman.
Oo,
Ang
diba?
ganda pa din.
Ganda pa din, no? Sometimes I just, wear the other one. Ibang, ibang lock lang.
So this one, if you feel like it's too loose,
Okay.
ano man lang, you can adjust this. Pwede may tighten,
Okay.
squeeze mo lang together.
Yeah.
Ito nga, ayusin ko nga.
Using mo nga yun. Ilang beses ko na nasuot.
Ganda eh.
And then, saka sometimes, I just use the small one and then ibang
Ibang lock.
ilang lock.
Oo nga naman.
Oo, for my everyday lang, di ba?
Great idea. Yan, ang
Oo nga, no?
ganda.
So, alam mo na, Ging, kung paano gagawin.
Diba?
Oo, diba? So, she's the queen. Oh,
You're the queen.
yeah. Thank you so much.
I
Welcome.
was inspired by my birthday. It's a
Ay,
personal
ayun pa
story,
rin.
right?
Okay.
So this was from Imaginarium, our show.
Yes, yes.
The Waling Waling print. So the backdrop is about the sunset and sunrise in Boracay.
Okay.
And you see all the Filipino elements here. Now, Waling Waling, which became our national orchid.
Yeah, very
recently.
nice. No? Yeah.
So all of the prints here, original.
Yeah, and this one, nandun ba yun sa ano mo to?
This one naman is our laser cut. Right
Nandun ba yan sa collection mo? Parang
No,
wala.
These ones.
This one lang, no?
This look.
Oo.
We have the navy blue sold out now.
Oo nga, ganda, no?
And so
With the
so this is our
skirt.
kimono right here. Mayumi
Yes.
kimono laser cut.
Ganda yan eh. Pero this one yung bestseller mo, no?
The navy blue of this is the best seller.
How much is
This
to?
one. This one is 7.5.
7.5.
Liquid Mikado.
Ang ganda.
Hand stitched on the
Tapos ang
backing.
skirt niya, basta plain lang na A-line?
This is the skirt. So we have two options, yung beige.
Ay, ang ganda.
Tinatag skirt. Or the
Nandun ba yan?
navy
Sa ano
blue.
mo? Nandun ba yan?
Sa imaginary niya.
Okay, ganda, no? Then how,
Pero we produce. Oo.
itong this one, how much yung skirt?
So the skirt is 10.5.
Ganda.
Ombre back.
Ang ganda, no?
So you can wear it on the middle or on the side.
Gusto ko yan. And this one,
This one is pre-order na 10.5.
ganda nito.
Yeah.
Pagawa na lang ako sa'yo,
Yes,
basil.
so 10.5 pre-order. Kasi we'll measure you for this
Yeah,
one.
gusto ko yan.
Oo, diba?
Sige. Ako, thank you. So, you better visit Maarte until tomorrow.
Please, until tomorrow.
Yeah. si Ate Claire na mag-order.
Yes. Oo, yeah. This
Ang
one.
ganda,
Our
no?
best
Pero ang ganda rin ng no? Ang ganda rin ng skirt, ng brown.
Ay, thank you.
Pero I'm more into blue, eh.
Mm-mm.
Pink, blue.
Yung blue talaga yung bestseller.
Yeah.
This is a
that.
barong bib. So, di ba, we try to make Filipino wear more contemporary. So, this is just like a bib. It's a cover-up. Put it on top of a t-shirt. Filipiniana man is. So, yeah.
Sinama ko na to si girl
Bakasyon,
kasi
laser cut right here.
ang ganda, no? So, thank you so much, my dear.
Thank you for stopping by.
Of
Hope you can
course.
support
So,
us
si Basil.
here until tomorrow.
Yeah.
Booth
Okay.
31.
Sana maano ko to. Ma-post ko agad.
Yes.
So, if ever after this, saan ka na? Saan ang ano?
We are located at Become Filipino Exhibition Halls, Gallery 3.
Ah,
Recite
okay.
them, yeah.
So,
Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m.
So, yun.
Yes.
So, you know where to find Basil. Hindi ka ay, ngayon din ang katutubo, diba?
Sorry.
Same din ang katutubo ngayon din sa live.
Same, oo.
Same sila, no?
Diba?
Dapat
Marami ba? Did you
Hindi ko alam eh. Kasi sabi ko, I'm used to going here.
Oo.
Sa ano.
Yeah,
Para
this is the first time na magkasabay ang Maarte at
dapat
Katutubo.
hindi
We're
eh.
like,
Dapat hindi.
are you for real?
Oo, dapat hindi, no?
Oo.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, thank you. This one, no?
Tsaka ito yung IG.
Yes, I like it also. Ito yung mga skirt. This is so nice.
Hi, ma'am, sir. Order chocolate.
Nice. So I'm with my sis, Happy Andrada.
Hi, everyone.
Yes, and this is the new collection, right?
Yes, this is the Metro Manila aerial view of Metro Manila. So 2016, I won the award in the International Fashion Art Biennale in Seoul, and I showcased their Metro Manila print. So after 10 years, we have this one.
Oh, so this is a hoodie. And iba-iba pala. Yeah.
Edit na lang.
Oo, yeah. Ako yung bala dyan. Ganda.
Hindi ko alam din.
Ganda. Ang sarap ng kalabasa.
Thank you so much po.
Diyan, anong kokosal? Parang sarap lahat.
Baka gusto niyo rin pong itry si Kuya Bana Med Survey, ma'am.
Icon.
For Ilocano Delicacy po, ma'am. Para po siyang suman po.
Sige nga itong suman. Mahilig ako sa suman. Sorry, ala,
Yes,
tinikman
ma'am,
eh.
okay lang po.
So, mag-order lang sa IG or ano?
Physical
Saan?
store po kasi namin is sa Ilocos Sur pa po.
Punta ako Ilocos Sur pala. Ay, paano ka mag-order?
Pag wala na pong ma-order, ma'am. Sa Ilocos lang po muna. So,
Pupunta na lang kami sa
as
ano?
of now po.
Pupunta na lang ako sa Ilocos.
As of now po, Ilocos pa lang po. Yes,
Ang sarap din.
So, bali sa Ilocos mo, marami pa po kaming flavors.
Puntahan ko kayo sa Ilocos.
Ma'am, sa Vegan City po.
My
Marami pa.
God. Ang sarap sa pag pumunta sa Ilocos sa Biga.
At least na makakapag-visit yun.
Ang sarap. That's a wrap, my lovelies, by Josephs, and I'm so happy to see and catch up with my lovely sis, Charito Kasemi of Persia Grill, as well as with all the talented designers we have in the fashion scene. Until next year, my lovelies, my Josephs, and don't worry, I'll make sure to be on time by visiting on day 1 next time. Yes, so that I can easily upload it for you to see my unique finds again. Thank you so much for watching, my lovelies. Love ya!